Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV, your go-to place for personal finance tips and tricks. Today we're diving into 10 of the best passive income ideas for students. Passive income has become a buzzword among students aiming to boost their finances without interfering with their studies. As tuition fees rise and part-time jobs become harder to balance with coursework, generating passive income offers an ideal solution. Whether you're looking to cover daily expenses, save for travel, or invest in your future, passive income can provide financial stability and freedom. With today's technology, students can access countless opportunities to earn money online or offline, requiring minimal ongoing effort. Let's dive into these top 10 passive income ideas for students to start building wealth while focusing on their education. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more finance videos like this. 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog or niche website is one of the most accessible and lucrative ways for students to earn passive income. By focusing on a specific topic or area of expertise, students can create valuable content that attracts a loyal audience over time. The key to success lies in selecting a profitable niche, such as tech reviews, personal finance tips, travel guides, or even study resources tailored to other students. Over time, a well-optimized blog can rank higher in search engines, driving organic traffic and increasing revenue. With minimal upfront costs and the flexibility to work at your own pace, a blog or niche website not only generates income, but also enhances skills like writing, SEO, and digital marketing, valuable for future careers. 2. Create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is an exciting and effective way for students to earn passive income while exploring their creativity and passions. By focusing on a specific niche like educational tutorials, gaming, lifestyle, or vlogs, students can attract a dedicated audience over time. Revenue streams for a YouTube channel include Google AdSense, where ads displayed on videos generate earnings, and affiliate marketing by promoting products or services in video descriptions. This approach not only generates revenue, but also develops valuable skills in video production, marketing, and audience engagement, all of which are useful for future career opportunities. 3. Sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, or graphic designs require an upfront effort to create but can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. For example, a student skilled in a subject can write an ebook or design a course to teach others, offering it on available platforms. Similarly, graphic templates, study guides, or even stock photos can be marketed to a global audience. Once the product is live, the income generated is largely passive, with occasional updates or promotional efforts. Students can take advantage of their university networks to gather insights or test their products, ensuring they meet real-world needs. 4th, online courses or tutoring. Creating online courses or offering tutoring services is a fantastic way for students to earn passive income by sharing their knowledge. If you excel in a subject, you can design a course with structured lessons, exercises, and resources on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Once the course is published, it can generate income as students enroll, requiring minimal ongoing effort beyond occasional updates. Alternatively, tutoring allows you to build a strong reputation while helping others, and you can scale this by recording your sessions or creating downloadable study guides for passive sales. 5. Affiliate marketing. This is an excellent way for students to earn passive income with minimal upfront investment. This model involves promoting products or services through personalized affiliate links, earning a commission for every sale or lead generated. Students can utilize platforms like blogs, social media, or YouTube to share product reviews or tutorials while embedding these links. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in choosing the right niche that aligns with your audience's interests and consistently creating engaging content. 6. Invest in stocks or ETFs. Investing is a great way for students to earn passive income while building wealth over time. Stocks that pay dividends, provide regular income, as companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders. ETFs, on the other hand, offer diversification by tracking a basket of assets, such as stocks in a particular index or industry. They are often cost-effective and less risky compared to individual stock investments. Students can start small using apps like Stash or Robinhood, which allow fractional investing, making it accessible even with limited funds. Seventh, print-on-demand business, another excellent option for students looking to earn passive income with minimal upfront costs. With this, you can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and sell them through online platforms such as Etsy, Amazon, or your website. The best part is that the production, printing, and shipping are handled by a third-party provider, allowing you to focus on designing and marketing. This business model eliminates the need for inventory and reduces financial risk. Once you set up your online store and upload designs, sales can generate income passively. 8. Rent out your stuff. This is a practical way for students to earn passive income with minimal effort. You can rent items like bicycles, tools, electronics, or even clothes to people in your local community through different platforms. For students, this is especially beneficial since you can monetize items you already own but rarely use, such as musical instruments, sporting equipment, or event supplies. With competitive rates and enhanced protection offered by many platforms, this method can help generate steady income while you focus on your studies. 9. Start a podcast. Once you've set up your podcast, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or listener donations. The key is to develop a unique concept, choose a niche, and maintain consistency. Over time, as your audience grows, you can attract sponsors or utilize affiliate marketing to earn revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Creating content that resonates with your audience and maintaining quality over time can turn podcasting into a sustainable source of income. Additionally, platforms like YouTube offer opportunities to share your podcast and monetize it further through ads and paid memberships. 10. Build an app or website. Building an app or website is a powerful way for students to generate passive income. Once you create a functional product, such as an app offering a useful service or a website with valuable content, you can monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or paid subscriptions. The initial effort may involve coding, designing, and marketing, but after the setup, the income can come with minimal maintenance. Platforms like Google AdSense, affiliate links, or subscription-based models can generate steady revenue. Even simple apps or websites in niche markets can attract a loyal audience, allowing students to earn passive income over time with consistent updates and minimal involvement. That's a wrap on the 10 best passive income ideas for students. These strategies can help you start earning money with minimal effort, giving you more time to focus on your studies. Be sure to check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Moves Made Easy TV for more tips on managing your finances and building wealth. Stay tuned for more content to help you make smarter financial decisions.